So in my previous videos, you might have seen like I explained what we should buy, and now I'm going to talk more about these, what you see on the screen. So we can build a few more projects on ISD1820 where we can record the sound and play as you want, right? So if you want to record a sound, program it with Arduino, and then you can play with it. So we will build some projects on it. Then it's good to have the joystick. We can build a lot of projects using joysticks. And then we should have this PWM motor speed controller. So if we have to slow down the speed of the motor, we can use this. And then we can have this RTC module. This is very good for projects where we have to schedule something, right? We want a device. For example, we want motor to start at 4 p.m. every day. We can schedule it using this device, right? This module. Then we can buy we should have this relay module, dual channel, and this is single channel, one channel relay module. And this is motor driver L298N, and this is another one. This is L293D, again a motor driver. And then you may have seen my videos where I have given a demo to automate something like we want a device to on and off for 20 seconds. We can use that. And then we should buy a few lithium-ion battery and the charging. So I will show how we can use this to charge the lithium-ion battery, like 4056 to charge lithium-ion battery. We can also charge it through solar panel.